Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back. Today we are gonna be unboxing the SELPHY QX20 compact photo printer. So this is actually my first ever time buying my very own photo printer. I've bought normal printers before, but those were just for a short period of time before it spoils or something like that. But this time I specifically got the SELPHY QX20 just to print photos. This is just for compact small photos. I've never used any portable printers before, not even borrowed from someone or something. So this is going to be my first ever time unboxing and seeing how it actually is. So yeah, I decided why not just check it out with all of you. So without further ado, let's get started right into unboxing this SELPHY QX20. Firstly, here's the printer, and this is actually the refill. So this is the printer. The printer apparently doesn't come with the refill, so I gotta get the printer and the photo printing paper. We'll definitely be taking a look at this, but firstly is the printer. So let's unbox it. We need to register the warranty for this. And what is this? Small. Oh, this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. I like how it came in a small envelope rather than inside the box. Let's put it aside for now. And this is another warranty card, another warranty, mostly just warranty. You gotta be setting that up later. And here is another huge book for the SELPHY QX20. And let's lift it up. And inside here is the SELPHY QX20 printer. That's it for the box. So let's open it up, remove it out of the box, and there you go. It's in a nice cloth. I like it. So let's put it aside for now. And here is the printer, the SELPHY QX20. And here is where we put the refills in. It's a pretty flimsy door. I'm pretty sure it's going to spoil very easily. So this is just the printer alone. It doesn't have any of the ink refills or the papers, and that is when this comes in. This is the refill and the ink together. So we just gotta open it up. If you're buying a refill for the SELPHY QX20, you gotta be careful of the size and make sure it's made for the SELPHY QX20, because if you buy something else, it won't be compatible. So here's the ink, followed by this is the paper. Two sets of printing papers over here, 20 sheets, so this is probably 10 each. And this is the refill. So firstly, let's open the ink refill. Let's fit it inside. I only watch YouTube videos on this. I've never done it on my own, so I think this is the way to put the cassette in. Okay, yeah, this should be the way because it fits in perfectly. So I'll put the ink in. Now I'm just going to be closing it up. I'm just doing all according to what I saw in other YouTube videos. So yeah, don't think that I know everything, because I actually don't. So let's open the film wrappers. I think it should be faced this way. Once the paper is in, just make sure it's aligned, and then I think we can close it in already. And now we've got the printer. Now let's put the printer aside, and we've got the box here. On this box here, there's a small QR code. Let's scan it. And once we scan the QR code, it leads us into the Canon SELPHY photo layout app website. So I'm going to click, since I'm using a Samsung phone, I'm going to click get it on Google Play, and I'm going to click install. So now let's wait for it to install. Okay, the Canon SELPHY app has been downloaded pretty fast, just about 10 seconds. And I'm going to click agree. So of course we have to agree it. So I'm going to agree, notification, skip. And then so now once you have the app downloaded, we're going to click which is the printer that we are using. So mine is the QX20, so I'm going to click on that. Register your printer now, yes. So okay, I've already turned on, and then hold down the power button until the status lamps to blink white. Okay, it blinks white, and then load the paper. Okay, so this app is teaching me how to set it up. I've already done everything. So I'm going to load the paper, load the ink cassette, or everything is done. Follow the instruction displayed on the smartphone screen and connect to the registered printer using the QR code. Okay, so apparently there is a QR code here, and I gotta scan it. There's a QR code, so while using it, I'm gonna just allow it. Okay, connecting to printer for register. I gotta click OK when it's flashing solid white. So I'm gonna click OK, and it's connecting to the printer. Let's close it up. Connect device. Temporarily use Wi-Fi network to connect. Okay, so let's give it some time to connect it, and connect it. This printer has been registered, and close the ink cover. So okay, we've got the ink cover closed, everything is done. We need to choose the format of our paper size. So ours is the XC20L, and we're going to click the XC20L, and now we can instantly choose any photos or whatever that we want to print. So once you click photos, of course for this just allow all access, because you got to print photos. You don't have a choice but to click allow all access. So here I've chosen 4 flags, which is I'm going to be printing now, and I can choose whichever layout that I want it to be. Next, okay, Position is going to be position up. Since the default is up, I'm just gonna leave it as up. I've already set up. If I want, I can add 2 more pictures. I can add text, or I can add a paint. Now it's connecting to the printer. So there we go. It's printing right now. Ink cassette size is incorrect. Insert compatible ink cassette. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. I realized my mistake. So this is the XS20, but mine is the XC20L. So yeah, that's one small mistake, and that is the problem. So I'm going to click XC20L. Since now we've done, and we're going to click OK. This is the 2 sizes that we've got. So now let's create a frame, maybe, because I just want some space between both of them. Space can't be created, so I'm just going to print as it is. And now let me click print. Let's see how the print comes out. It's connecting to the printer. Hopefully it should print right now. Okay, there we go. Paper size is incorrect. Okay, so now when I try to print, it says the paper size is incorrect. And just now when we put the paper, it was having some difficulties, right? I found the problem. That is, if we take the paper out, there's a small door. This is supposed to be open when we insert the paper, but it wasn't, and that is the reason why the paper was wobbly. Now the paper has been inserted. It's in perfectly. Let's close the door. There we go. The status is blinking. So now let's click print. This time it should print if everything goes well. Okay. Okay, so this time it should print well. Let's wait for the print to be out. Okay, now it says take out the paper from the delivery unit. I'm going to be taking it out, and printing complete. Nope. Okay, and there we go. There is it. Both our flags has been printed. Print is actually pretty good. And if you're asking me, how are you going to see where the flag ends? When I see it from this way, there is a sort of a line where print ends. And the other good thing about this printer is it's a sticky back, so I can just use the scissors to cut it and just use it. So that is the unboxing of the SELPHY QX20. We did take some time to get the whole paper thing sorted out. And for the quality of the print, I would say it's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good for a handheld printer. I was expecting some blurry lines to show up, but hey, this is actually really on point and accurate. So yeah, that is it for the unboxing of the SELPHY QX20. I don't want to say much in this unboxing because this is an unboxing. I'll definitely be doing a review in the coming future. Not really a 1-month review or 2-month review, but my review of the SELPHY QX20 will definitely be out sometime in the future. I want to use it more and see how it goes. And of course, since this is a printing, I can only use it when I really need it. I can't be just printing it out for random reasons. So yeah, it takes some time. But hey, once I know that I'm ready to do a review, I'll definitely be doing a review. Get subscribed, turn on notifications so you get notified whenever this review, or of course in between, we're going to be doing a lot more reviews. So if you all want to be the first one to watch it, don't forget to hit the like button, get subscribed, turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Catch all of you in the next one. Bye.